Good morning students, SMT JV James, Standard 1st, Subject English 1, Lesson number 2. Let's find out. Now, today I am asking you a question and in return you are giving me an answer. Now it is question answer. Now question number 1, answer the following question. Now, question number 1. Who is smiling in our lesson? Who is smiling, Ravi or Anita? Anita? No, is Ravi. So our answer is Ravi is smiling. Here you have to write first question, then answer one time in a classwork and one time in a homework and then leave one. Now question number 2. Who has a ball? Now who has a ball? Anita has? No, Ravi has a ball. So our answer is Ravi has a ball. Again answer one time in a classwork and one time in a homework. Now question number 3. How many kites are there? There are 3 kites? No, there are 2 kites. So our answer is there are 2 kites. Now number 4. Where is the doll? Now tell me, where is the doll? On the bed? No, on the chair. So our answer is the doll is on the chair. Number 5. Who loves kites? Now tell me, who loves kites? Dev? No, Rima loves kites. So our answer is Rima loves kites. Thank you.